Welcome to Small and Medium-Sized Business and Mid-Market Cisco Switching, a great market opportunity. In this presentation, we will discuss the opportunities that are available in the switching market. The goal is to provide an overview of the trends and customer drivers that are impacting how switches are being used in the network. We will also discuss the changing workplace and how Cisco empowers customers in the small and medium-sized business market with quietness, ease of use, and reliability. Cisco made for SMB and mid-market network infrastructure solutions can enable organizations to deliver differentiated value to their customers. With Cisco switching solutions, the SMB mid-sized business network architecture can deploy competitive services quickly and provide highly secure, pervasive connectivity for employees and customers. Many small businesses may think that Cisco Catalyst switching is too expensive and designed for the larger enterprise. The SMB Catalyst 2960L and 3560CX switches offer enterprise-class functionality and reliability at affordable pricing. For example, the Cisco Catalyst L series features a LAN-Lite Cisco iOS software image, providing basic functionality for small-scale deployments. These SMB Catalyst switches offer fanless operation in temperatures up to 113 degrees Fahrenheit for deployments outside the wiring closet, conference rooms, and open workspaces. The 2960L offers an excellent upgrade from and replacement for the 2960 Plus switch at the same price. The 2960L comes with an Enhanced Limited Lifetime Warranty, ELLW. The ELLW provides the same terms as the Cisco Standard Limited Lifetime Warranty, but adds next business day delivery of replacement hardware where available and 90 days of 8x5 Cisco Technical Assistance Center TAC support. New business and digitization trends are disrupting conventional ways of working and driving the need for a new kind of workplace. To maintain a competitive edge, organizations need to enable a more agile and connected workforce that can deliver in a fast-moving digital and experience-driven global marketplace. Digitization. An explosion of new connected devices, data, and applications is accelerating the rate of change for business worldwide. Cisco estimates that 50 billion devices will be connected by 2020. Accommodating all of these mobile devices and data and the shifting work experiences they represent requires organizations to think seriously about how they will compete in the next decade. Space utilization. Corporate real estate costs represent the second largest operating expense for a typical corporation after employee salaries. Often, those investments are not delivering the optimal return. According to Colliers International, companies spend an average of $1,000 in facilities rent per employee per year. But on any given day, they're likely to see just 50% utilization of that space. Evolving work patterns. Most enterprises have or will soon have a quad-generational workforce, where each generation has its own motivations, values, and work styles. Experienced workers, such as baby boomers and Generation Xers, often expect to be present on-site and value face-to-face interaction. Younger workers, such as millennials and Generation Z, want a more flexible work environment with the ability to work from home or on the go. According to Forrester, 37% of employees worked from a public work site in 2012, and younger employees were 3 times more likely than their older colleagues to work from a public venue or non-traditional office space. Activity-based working. One of the major trends we are seeing in workplace evolution and transformation is activity-based working, or ABW for short. Activity-based working is all about designing and creating a variety of flexible workspace experiences that are aligned to the activities that need to be performed. Your day is filled with activities where you may need to be creative. You may need to collaborate with others internally and externally, or you may need to just slog through some mundane tasks. With ABW, you can choose your workspace depending on the task you need to do. This is not just open-plan offices or hot desks. This is much, much more. For example, a typical floor plan could have touch-down desks for focused work, audio and video privacy rooms for sensitive conversations, and multi-party collaboration rooms. So I could arrive at the office and check into a focus desk to plow through my emails and work requests, and then move into a quiet or privacy room for a one-on-one with my manager, and then move to a video collaboration room to collaborate with a team or with remote customers. Workspace transformation presents new challenges in providing connectivity to a broad set of devices such as IP displays and cameras, access points, PCs, and laptops, along with IoT devices. This presents us with a whole new series of questions. How do you support new PoE devices efficiently? The Catalyst 2960L provides intelligent power over Ethernet options for IEEE 802.3AF and IEEE 802.3 PoE+, 30 watts per port. This delivers a lower total cost of ownership for deployments that incorporate Cisco IP phones, access points, or other standards-compliant devices. How do you make it easy to provision and scale? The Cisco SMB Catalyst Switch platform offers a command line interface, or CLI, for detailed configuration and administration. In addition, these switches also support a full range of Cisco network management solutions, such as a web user interface, which allows for easy and quick installation, configuration, management, and monitoring. Cisco Prime Infrastructure, a comprehensive lifecycle management solution, and Plug and Play, a simple, secure, and automated offering for new device rollouts or provision updates to existing network. How do you reduce wiring costs? The SMB Catalyst switches are ideal for space-constrained deployments where multiple cable runs would be challenging. The 3560CX multi-gigabit switch supports current and next-generation wireless speeds and standards, including 802.11ac Wave 2 on existing cabling infrastructure. How do I connect securely? The SMB Catalyst switches support a suite of components that secure networks, data, and resources with policy-based access control, identity, and role-aware networking. Customers are looking at tying business outcomes to their technology selection. Customers are expecting a short time to value, and there are many verticals that can leverage the advantages available in the Catalyst 3560CX and 2960L switching platforms. Here are some of the customer questions that the Cisco SMB Catalyst switches provide answers to. Cable consolidation. What if you could bring the reliability and security of your switches out of the wiring closet to more efficiently and simply connect people, processes, systems, and things? PoE. What if you could easily power a wide range of devices and have flexibility in where and how you connect them? Wireless access points. How can you accommodate business growth and increase traffic such as aggregate upstream gigabit traffic loads from 802.11ac Wave 2 access points? IoT. How can you support a wide range of IEEE 802.3 standards compliance devices, IP cameras, sensors, and intelligent building solutions? So let's look at a few specific use cases in some common industries. With the Compact Catalyst 3650CX and the Cisco Catalyst 2960L switches, the new era of networking and education can reduce cabling while adding needed services to support today's space requirements. From classrooms to libraries and lecture halls, educators can transform traditional spaces to provide boundless access to educational resources, such as wireless access points, interactive whiteboards, IP cameras, projectors, tablets, audio systems, and other devices. The hospitality industry is a great place for Catalyst compact switches. You can significantly improve customer experiences with capabilities such as wireless access points, IP phones, IPTV, and smart appliances to monitor coffee temperatures for quality control. The SMB switch solution here offers a far greater choice of differentiated amenities and services like these to guests, at the same time as enabling greater control and efficiency in managed operations. Let's consider providing wireless access in hotel rooms. Without compact switches, you have to deploy 4 100-meter Ethernet cables from the wiring closet switch to each guest room. As an example, 4 cable runs are required for an IP phone, an IPTV, a smart appliance, and a wired Ethernet jack for the guest's PC laptop. But with the Catalyst compact switch, you can deploy a single 100-meter Ethernet cable from the wiring closet to a Cisco UPoE-powered compact switch and deploy Cisco Catalyst compact switches in guest rooms, which in turn connect and provide PoE pass-through to the IP endpoints. Benefits include PoE resiliency from PoE pass-through, faster deployment, and lower costs due to fewer cable runs. And the numbers support this. In a 200-room hotel, Cisco Catalyst compact switches can eliminate about 30 kilometers of cables. In retail environments, SMB Catalyst switches allow you to add more point-of-sale terminals without adding cables. And one switch at the back of the store can power up to 12 IP-connected devices, such as PCs, IP cameras, IP phones, display, e-banners, and a wireless access point for guest access. Fewer cables means more flexibility in store layout, too. Now you can rearrange shelves, counters, and point-of-sale locations without having to rearrange complex cabling. You can also increase security and make it more effective with wireless surveillance cameras, even in traditionally hard-to-monitor areas. Without compact switches, you would have to deploy multiple 100-meter Ethernet cables from the wiring closet to point-of-sale terminals, IP phones, surveillance cameras, and other IP devices. That's a lot of cabling. But with Catalyst compact switches, you simply deploy one 100-meter Ethernet cable from the wiring closet switch to the compact switch mounted on the point-of-sale terminal. You use shorter and less expensive Ethernet cables from compact switches to iPhones, surveillance cameras, and other IP devices. Benefits include faster deployment and lower costs due to fewer cable runs. Here we are extending the use case of compact switches to hospitals, clinics, doctors' offices, and patient registration and payment counters. Enable your wireless infrastructure to create engaging mobile experiences for patients. Connect with patients from beginning to end, from simplified AP Wi-Fi onboarding, customer identification through card readers, and post-visit surveys. Connect employees and provide a single meeting experience for internal and external video collaboration, as well as have support for printers, IP phones, and PC laptops, with the options of support for physical security through IP cameras. For conference room support, A single cable from the wiring closet to a Cisco Catalyst compact switch enable IP connectivity for devices such as IP phones, wireless access points, video conference systems, laptops, and mobile devices like tablets. To summarize, the workforce experience is transforming outside the wiring closet. And in addition, the traditional workspace needs to support both voice and data. The Cisco Catalyst Smart Operations is a comprehensive set of Cisco Catalyst technologies and iOS software features that simplify LAN deployment, configuration, and troubleshooting. Smart Operations features include Smart Install, which enables the configuration of the iOS software image and switch without user intervention. Auto Smart Ports, which provides automatic configuration as end devices connect to the switch port, allowing auto detection and plug and play of the device onto the network. And Smart Troubleshooting is an extensive array of debug diagnostic commands and system health checks. The Catalyst 2960L and 3560CX switches provide a range of security features to limit access to the network and mitigate threat, including comprehensive 802.1x features to control access to the network. Multi-domain authentication allows an IP phone and a PC to authenticate on the same switch port while placing them on appropriate voice and data VLANs. Secure Shell, SSH Protocol, Kerberos, and Simple Network Management Protocol version 3, SNMP v3, all provide network security by encrypting administrator traffic during Telnet and SNMP sessions. For application visibility, NetFlow Lite on the Catalyst SMB switches lets you maintain awareness of all application traffic on the network. It helps capture and record specific packet flows and can be exported to a wide range of Cisco and third-party collectors for analysis. And lastly, the Cisco Catalyst 2960L series switches offer a number of redundancy and resiliency features to prevent outages and help ensure that the network remains available. These features include the ability to support multiple spanning tree protocols and switch port auto recovery, air disable, which automatically attempts to reactivate a link that is disabled because of a network error.